Here's step one of using your Insta Go 3S 4K camera. Of course, you need to download first the app. So there's two ways to download the app. One is to type it in using, if you have, well, for any other phones, you just use the QR code. So you're gonna just pull out your camera and then click on it, and then it will just let you, it will automatically go to the app, and you just have to open, and it will install in your phone. So I'm using a Samsung Galaxy phone, and that's how long it takes to download an app. It's the app is called Insta360, and you have that logo in yellow, just a circle. And then once it's installed, all you need to do is open it. But another way to install it is, if you're using iPhone or Android. In Android, you have to go to Google Play, and then install it from there. Once you're inside the app, this is what you're gonna see. It's gonna ask for your location, so it's up to you if you want to allow the app to know your location. And then you have to make sure that you have enough storage, because it will tell you, it will take up a lot of space, because there's actually editing videos, the editing software there for your videos and photos. So that's the logo for the app. And then at the very beginning, it will ask you to set up the app settings. You can allow it or not allow it, or limited access to all the photos that you have. So this is what I was talking about. There are attached softwares for editing the videos and photos you'll be taking using the Insta360. And this is just an overview of what you will see in the app, just a quick one. We will go through it um, one at a time, but I haven't logged in and registered yet, so you would have to log in and register, which is what you do with all the other kinds of app. But that's it. That's the overview for the Go 360 app.